In today's digital landscape, users demand instant and seamless experiences. Real-time communication is crucial for applications requiring immediate data exchange. Whether it's a chat application, a collaborative platform, or a live dashboard, real-time updates enhance user engagement and satisfaction. This tutorial explores two powerful technologies for building real-time applications with NestJS WebSocket and gRPC. Real-time communication enables bidirectional data flow between clients and servers. This means that updates can be pushed to clients as soon as they occur, without the need for constant polling. Imagine a stock trading platform where prices fluctuate rapidly. Real-time updates ensure that traders have access to the latest information, facilitating timely decisions. WebSocket and gRPC offer distinct advantages for real-time communication. WebSocket provides a persistent connection between the client and server, allowing for low-latency, full-duplex communication. gRPC, on the other hand, leverages the efficiency of protocol buffers and HTTP/2 for high-performance, scalable communication. By combining these technologies, developers can build robust and feature-rich real-time applications. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide to integrating WebSocket and gRPC with NestJS, a popular Node.js framework for building scalable and maintainable server-side applications. We will cover the fundamentals of each technology, demonstrate their implementation in NestJS, and showcase their combined power through a real-time chat application example. WebSocket is a protocol enabling persistent bidirectional communication between a client and a server. Unlike HTTP, WebSocket keeps the connection open until closed by either party. This allows real-time data exchange, ideal for chat, live streaming, and collaborative tools. A client initiates a WebSocket connection with a handshake request. If accepted, a persistent connection is established. Both can send data anytime without new requests. This enables real-time updates and responses. WebSocket uses a message-based model for text or binary data. This flexibility supports various applications from chat to data streaming. Let's dive into a practical example of implementing WebSocket with NestJS. We'll create a simple chat application to demonstrate the basic concepts. First, install the required package bash npm install. Save at nestdj/platform_w next. Create a WebSocket gateway, which acts as an entry point for WebSocket connections. TypeScript import, WebSocket gateway, subscribe message, message body, WebSocket server, on gateway connection, from @nestdjs/WebSockets, import server from socket.io at WebSocket gateway 3001, export class chat gateway implements on gateway connection at WebSocket server, server, handle connection, console log, client connected, subscribe message, send message, handle message, message body, message string, void, this.server, emit receive message, message. In this code, decorates the class as a WebSocket gateway, listening on port 3001, injects the socket, no server instance, logs a message when a client connects, listens for incoming messages with the event send message, receives the message and broadcasts it to all connected clients using. This example demonstrates a simple message broadcasting mechanism. You can expand this to build more complex interactions such as private messaging or group chat features. Remember to import and provide the in your applications module. With this setup, your NestJS application can now handle real-time chat communication via WebSocket. While WebSocket excels in scenarios requiring persistent connections and bidirectional communication, gRPC shines when high performance and efficient data serialization are paramount. gRPC, short for Google Remote Procedure Call, is a modern open-source framework for building scalable and fast APIs. At its core, gRPC employs protocol buffers, or protobuf, as its interface definition language, IDL, and data serialization mechanism. Protobuf is a language-agnostic and platform-neutral mechanism for serializing structured data, making it highly efficient for cross-service communication. It uses a binary format, which is more compact and faster to parse than traditional text-based formats like JSON. gRPC leverages the power of HTTP/2, a major revision of the HT. A Section 5 gRPC in NestJS building efficient APIs. Integrating gRPC with NestJS allows developers to build efficient and scalable APIs. NestJS provides a dedicated gRPC module that simplifies defining services and handling communication. Install the necessary packages, npm install. Save at gRPC/gRPCJs at NestJS/microservices. Define your gRPC service interface using protobuf. Create a.proto file and define your service and message structures. Use the compiler to generate TypeScript code from your protobuf definition. Create a gRPC service in NestJS using the generated code. Implement your logic to fetch user data and return the response. Configure your NestJS application to listen for gRPC requests. Build high-performance, scalable, and language-agnostic APIs with NestJS and gRPC. Section 6. Project Showcase Real-Time Chat Application. To illustrate the combined power of WebSocket and gRPC, let's build a simple real-time chat application. This application will allow users to exchange messages in real time using WebSocket, while user management functionality will be handled via gRPC. Here's a breakdown of the application's architecture. A simple web interface where users can input their messages and view the chat history. Handles real-time message broadcasting between users. Manages user authentication and retrieval of user information. Image diagram showcasing the front end connected to the back end. The back end has a WebSocket gateway and a gRPC service. The gRPC service is connected to a database. This architecture leverages the strengths of both technologies. WebSocket provides the real-time communication channel for chat messages, while gRPC ensures efficient and secure user management. Section 7. Setting up the project. To begin, create a new NestJS project bashnest, new real-time chat. Navigate to the project directory and install the necessary dependencies bash cd real-time chat npm install. Save at nestjs/platformws at gRPC/gRPCJs at nestjs/microservices. You'll also need to install the compiler to generate TypeScript code from your protobuf definitions. Refer to the official gRPC documentation for instructions on installing for your operating system. Once you have the project set up and dependencies installed, you can start implementing the WebSocket and gRPC components of your chat application. Let's dive into implementing WebSocket for chat functionality. First, create a new WebSocket gateway for handling chat messages by running the command nest gateway chat. Now update the file with some crucial code. Import necessary modules from and define a that listens on port 3001. This gateway will handle incoming messages on the event. When a message is received, it retrieves the user information from the client socket. Remember, you'll need to implement user authentication to populate this data. Then, it broadcasts the message along with the user information to all connected clients. This setup allows for real-time communication across your chat application. Moving on to integrating gRPC for user management. Start by creating a new gRPC service nest gRPC user. Next, define your gRPC service interface in the file with syntax proto3, including RPC calls for login. Generate TypeScript code from your protobuf definition using. Implement the interface in your file where you'll handle user authentication logic. Finally, configure your NestJS application to listen for gRPC requests by setting up a gRPC microservice in your file, which listens on port 5051. This configuration allows your application to handle user management efficiently using gRPC. Now let's run and test the application. To start your application, use the command npm run start dev. This command will kick off both your HTTP server and your gRPC server. You can test your chat application by opening multiple browser windows and connecting to. Use your gRPC client to authenticate users and retrieve user information. This example showcases a basic implementation of a real-time chat application using WebSocket and gRPC with NestJS. Feel free to build on this foundation to include more complex features like private messaging, group chat, and real-time notifications. In conclusion, embracing the power of real-time communication is essential in today's digital landscape. WebSocket and gRPC offer powerful tools for building real-time features in your NestJS applications. WebSocket is perfect for scenarios requiring persistent connections and bidirectional communication, such as chat applications, collaborative tools, and live data streaming. On the other hand, gRPC excels in environments where high performance and efficient data serialization are crucial, ideal for microservice architectures and inter-service communication. This tutorial guided you through integrating WebSocket and gRPC with NestJS, demonstrating their strengths and the combined power through a real-time chat application. By leveraging these technologies, developers can create robust, scalable, and feature-rich applications that meet today's user demands for instant and seamless experiences. As you explore further into real-time communication, consider delving into advanced concepts like message queuing, load balancing, and security to craft even more sophisticated and reliable applications.